Alex solved ModuleNotFoundError and continues learning Python. Today, he imports something from a module. Everything seems correct, but Python shows another error. This time, the module exists, but the import still fails. Alex is confused. The math module definitely exists. So why is Python complaining? To understand this, we need to know what ImportError really means. Imagine a library. The library exists. So entering the library is not a problem. But Alex asks for a book that does not exist inside that library. The building is there, but the book is not there. This is exactly what happens here. The module is available, but the specific function, class, or variable you requested cannot be found inside it. For example, the math module contains function like this works correctly, but this does not work because there is no function called a square inside Python maths module. Another common cause is a spelling mistake. Maybe the function exists, but the name typed incorrectly. Even a small typo can trigger import error. Import error can also happen when two files depend on each other. This is called a circular import. File A imports file B, file B imports file A. Python gets stuck and cannot complete the import process. To fix import error, check these things. Is the function or class name correct? Does it actually exist inside this module? Are there any spelling mistakes? Are you creating circular imports? Alex replaces the incorrect import with the correct one. The code runs successfully. Problem solved.